Namaste, खुश रहो बेटिया. I JBN Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. Our today's topic of the session is security services provided by AWS, and we will see what is the application of AWS and advantage and disadvantage of AWS and which company is used AWS. Right? The first AWS uses IAM, Identity Access Management algorithm. It is a security based algorithm which is used in encryption and decryption. In AWS, IAM is um, IAM helps to the user to manage users assign policies, form groups to manage multiple users. That means it helps the cloud security services which helps you to manage users assign policies, form group to manage multiple users. Inspector, it is an agent. Inspector is an agent it that you can install on your virtual machine which reports any security vulnerabilities, any events if occur regarding the security purpose. Certificate manager, it service offers free SSL certificate for your domains that are managed by the root 53. Okay, and WAF is a web application firewall. WAF security service offer application level protection and allows you to block SQL injection and helps you to block cross-site scripting attacks. That means it prevent you the hacking. Cloud directory. This service allow you to create flexible cloud native directories for managing hierarchies of data along multiple dimensions. KMS. KMS is used for the security service help you to create and control the encryption keys which allow you to encrypt your data. Organization, you can create groups of AWS account using this service to manage it, security and automation setting. And shield is managed the DDoS, distributed denial of service protection service. It offers safeguard against web application running on AWS. Messi provides data visibility security service which helps classify and protect your sensitive critical content. And the guard duty offers the threat detection to protect your AWS accounts and workloads. So these are some services which is provided by AWS for your security purpose, for your management, and for your some uh, protecting your data from the hackers. Right now we will see the some advantage and some application of AWS. Here is application services. Step function, SWS, SNS, SQS, Elastic Transcoder, right? And here is your deployment and management, AWS Cloud Trail, Amazon Cloud Watch, AWS Cloud HSM. But now the tool which is used for develop the AWS, the CodeStar. CodeStar is a cloud-based service for creating, managing, and working with various software development project on AWS. And CodeCommit. CodeCommit is a version control service which allows you to store your code and other asset privately in the cloud. Code Build is an Amazon developer service helps you to automate the process of building and compiling your code. So these are some code these are some platforms where you can manage the AWS services, right? So now we will see how uh, what is application of AWS service. So these are various application of web service like website hosting, application hosting, SaaS hosting, media sharing, image video, mobile and social application, content delivery and media distribution, source storage, backup and disaster recovery. search engine, social networking, academic computing. So these are the application of AWS. Here is the company which is using AWS like Instagram, Joomla, Samsung, Pinterest, Netflix, Dropbox, Talkbox, Playfish, Photopia. Photopia. These are the some advantage of AWS. So AWS allows organization to use the already familiar programming models, operating system, databases and character and architectures. It is a cost-effective service that allows you to pay only for what you use without any upfront or long-term commitments. You will not require to spend money on running and maintaining data centers. Offers fast deployment. You can easily add or remove capacity. You are allowed cloud access quickly with a limitless capacity. Total cost of ownership is very low compared to any private dedicated servers. It offers centralized billing and management. It offers hybrid capabilities. It allows you to deploy your application in multiple regions around the world with just a few clicks. But there are some disadvantages of AWS also. If you need to more immediate or intensive assistance, we will have to opt for paid support packages. Amazon Web Services may have some common cloud computing issues. When you move to a cloud, for example, downtime, limited control and backup protection, AWS sets default limit on resources which differ from region to region. These resources consist of images, volumes and snapshots. Hardware level changes happen to your application which may not offer the best performance and usage of your application. So this is all about this session. I hope you like my session. If any query regarding this session, please comment below. This digital session version 2.0 is provided by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you, class.